This question be like saying that to go hard, but it dey very simple. Make I show you how you go take solve am. So the first thing we go do, you go first ask yourself, wetin dem dey find for this question? They say make you find the voltage drop. So I will use V represent voltage drop. Normally for physics, voltage drop na the product of current times resistor. The product of current and resistor come together, they call am voltage drop. So now wetin dey bring am na V. So V now question mark. Make we no worry ourselves first. Will be there across 1 kilowatt. I don't mind this one. When I say watt, I don't say that for power. So I will write P for power. The value for the power, they say na 1 kilowatt. Me, I know say kilo na 10 to the power of 3. So this is not the same thing as 1 times 10 to the power of 3 watt. And you know say 10 to the power of 3 now 1,000. So 1 times 1,000 are the same thing as waiting 1,000. So now me say power now 1,000 watt. I know why I convert them like this. So that we use and solve our problem. You understand? Okay. Now they can say electric heater whose resistance when hot is 40. They don't give us resistance equal to 40 ohms. That's a simple reach. That's what it's supposed to be. Now, if you use several ways carry solve, make I just use only one way. Mass way that you get another idea how it will take solve. Normally, the relationship between P, V, and arrow now P equal to V squared over arrow. That means the relationship between the three of them. This formula you never see them before. At least don't see them now. You don't like this video, hit like now before we finish. I'm a beg. You know, see you can share them too and drop sweet comment if this one makes sense. So now what will be V? V now what they find. So we just make V the subject of the formula. I want to make V the subject of the formula. See what I will do. Instead of me to do over 1 cross multiply. The best thing is if you want to remove this arrow will be denominator, multiply both sides of the equation by arrow, multiply both sides by arrow. You come out this one. If you don't like this type, use that cross multiply way they like do. But the standard now they show you so. So arrow times P, now P arrow equal to V squared. So because I want to look for V squared, and I want to look for V, and I see V squared, I will take the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. So square and square root will cancel. It will remain a V equal to the square root of P arrow. Now the question now, what will be P? What will be arrow? P at 1,000 watt, arrow at 40. Carry them put here. Don't forget to multiply here. So it won't be the square root of 1,000 for this P times 40 for arrow, 40 ohms. Now, waiting be 1,000 times 40. My fans now 40,000. So it will be square root of 40,000. Therefore, P now will be equal to the square root of 40,000. You know, so now 200 times 200, then will give you 40,000. So just put 200. 200 volts. That will be the answer. Now they say what voltage drop? So the voltage drop across this 1 kilowatt electric heater now 200 volts. It makes sense.